we have a right triangle ACB, where AC has a length of 24 units and CD has a length of 7 units. We're also told that AE and EB are equal, which means E is the midpoint of AB. Our goal is to find the height h shown in the diagram. So, can we solve it? Absolutely. Let us work through it step by step. First, we need to find the length of BD. Once we know that, the rest of the problem becomes much easier. To find BD, let us connect A to D. This creates a smaller right triangle, ACD. We can now use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of AD. 7 squared plus 24 squared equals AD squared. That gives us 49 plus 576, which equals 625. Taking the positive square root, we get AD equal to 25 units. Now, let us focus on the two right triangles, AD and BED. We know that AE and EB are equal because E is the midpoint of AB. ED is also common to both triangles, and both triangles contain a right angle. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent. Since the triangles are congruent, their corresponding hypotenuses must also be equal. Therefore, AD is equal to BD. Since AD is 25 units, BD must also be 25 units. Now we can find the entire length of BC. Since BC is made up of BD and DC, we simply add them together. 25 plus 7 gives us 32 units. Great. We can now return to the large right triangle ACB. We know that its two legs are 24 units and 32 units. So, once again, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of AB. 24 squared plus 32 squared equals AB squared. After simplifying, we get AB equal to 40 units. Remember, E is the midpoint of AB, so AE and EB must be equal. Therefore, each one is half of 40, which gives us 20 units. We are almost there. Now, focus on the smaller right triangle bed. In this triangle, EB is 20 units, BD is 25 units, and H is the unknown height. Applying the Pythagorean theorem one final time, we get 20 squared plus H squared equals 25 squared. 400 plus H squared equals 625. Subtracting 400 from both sides gives us H squared equal to 225. Taking the positive square root, we finally get H equal to 15 units. And there we have it. The height H is 15 units. That was a clever one, wasn't it? If you enjoyed solving this problem, like, share, and subscribe for more challenging math problems.